Pandas library consists of two important data structures, series and data frame. In this section, we will see about series. Series represents one-dimensional structure. Let's create a series to understand more about it. Series is a Pandas object, hence you need to import the Pandas library first to create a series. To import any library, you can use import statement. For importing pandas, I will give import pandas as PD, where PD is the alias name. This statement will import pandas. We will now see how to create a series from list. First, let me create a list. So here I have a list of countries with the name country list. Now I'm going to create a series from this list. For that, give PD where PD is the alias of pandas, pd.series. In the parenthesis, give the name of the list. I will give country list. I will assign the series to a new variable. I'm assigning the series created to countries. Here I will print countries. This is how the series looks like. You can see it has only one column. This is the index. By default, index will be numbers starting from 0, but you can specify the index of different data type as well. We will see how to specify the index. For example, I will have the code of the countries as code equal to. Here I have the country code as another list. Now I can specify countries equal to pd.series. In the parenthesis, give the first argument as the list of countries. Now you can specify the index as the code, that is index equal to, I will give this list, that is the country code. I will print the series countries now. You can see now the index is what you have specified over here. Here we had the default index that is starting with 0, but here we had specified the index and that index is shown over here. Now we will see how to create series from a dictionary. Here I have a dictionary. This is my dictionary name, and the dictionary is created with country code as the key and the country names as the value. Now let's see how to create a series from this dictionary. For that, give pd.series the dictionary name, assigning this to a variable. Here I will print the series new countries. You can see the series is created from the dictionary. Here you can see a list of methods and attributes of this series. Let's see some of them. The first one we are going to see is the series.values. This is an attribute, hence you don't have to give the parentheses over here. You can see this will return an array of all the values within that series. So these are the values, it will return an array of those values. Next is series.dtype. This means that the values are of type object. In Python, the object refers to the string data type. Suppose I have a series of numbers. You can see this is my series of numbers. Here you can see the data type is int64. So based on the values, so if I give num.dtype, you can see it returns the data type as int64. Now if I give num dot index, this will give the index of this series. You can see the index starts from 0, stop is 5, that is 5 is excluding, and step is 1, that is it is incrementing by 1. You can see this is the index starting from 0 till 5, 5 is excluding, and the step is 1. You can see this is the index for the new countries series. Now this series has some methods as well. Let's see some of them. First one is num.count. You can see it returns the count of values. That is, there are 5 values within this series, so it returns 5. Now if I give sum, you can see it returns the sum of all the values, that is 6 plus 1, 7, 7, 13, 20. So you can see the sum of all the numbers is 20. Now if I give mean, you can see 4, that is the sum of all the numbers divided by the number of values. So 20 divided by 5, that will be equal to 4. Now if I want the product of all the numbers, then I can give num.product. So this will give the product of all the values, that is 8, 48, 48 into 7, 336. We will be exploring more on pandas in our coming videos. Please keep watching.